So welcome back to Morrocco Method International, where natural things happen. Today we're going to talk about lunar hair goals. Okay, so the 5 elements with our lunar cycle, and how do we use like lengthening? Well, lengthening is obviously making your hair longer, so when you cut your hair during that element, your hair will grow 2 to 2.5 times faster than it normally does. If you're growing like 2 to 3 inches a year, this will bring you to like 4 to 6 inches a year. If you're doing strengthening, what does that mean? It means you want your hair roots to be stronger and to actually grow with an element of strength to it, so that you can actually see that if you have coarse hair and really thick hair, you don't need this. But if you have fine, wispy hair or hair that's unruly, strengthening would be really powerful to use. Then thickening. So during that element, you can get, your hair follicles will come in a lot more hair follicles, and they'll actually be in a process of not being so fine, they'll be thicker. Then we have beautifying. So the element of beautifying literally means you want your hair to wave. You want to have an element of using your natural curls. You want to have your hair behaving itself better. So beautifying, if you cut it during that type of element, you will see your hair get more relaxed, more wave patterns to it. Even straight hair, you'll start seeing the cowlicks will start getting stronger, the parts will get stronger, the hair will actually get a lot more movement to it. And the element of root work, what does that signify? So when you're having your hair cut, blunt snip cut, when you actually snip each time, it's going down to the roots, it's shocking the roots, it's making the roots produce a lot more hair, faster, thicker, stronger. So all the elements are getting in there, but root work specifically is to like shock the root in depth, giving it a lot more strength and a lot more power to produce what you want, either in thickening, strengthening, lengthening. So root work is a really good one to mix up with any of the other 4 to give it another zang of power to get your hair to grow longer, thicker, stronger, healthier, and more beautiful. Okay, 5 elements, 5 types of hair. Be well.